What's up, guys? I wanted to bring back this knife. This is the Reate T2500. When I originally reviewed it, I said it was on bearings, but when I started looking at it, I was like, are those phosphor bronze washers? The action was so nice. It felt like bearings, but like right there, it feels like bearings, but those look like phosphor bronze washers. So what I'm going to do today is take it down, lube it up, and find out what's going on the inside here. So we have a T8, and of course this is a rotating pivot. So let's try some tricks. Let's see. What if we put some pressure on the blade while we attempt to unscrew it? Nope. Okay. Let's try this side. Alright, that actually worked. So it's on this side. Alright. And the body screws are going to be T6. My T6. Well, actually, bigger than T6. They're still T8. Okay. And this probably holds the clip and the other side in. And it's a lot longer, so be able to tell the difference. Alright, the moment of truth. Bearings or washers. I guess I could just go look on the website. I think it's going to be bearings, actually. Yeah, it looks like... Okay, this is the inside. And... Yep, it is bearings. So it was just the side of it that I saw that looked like a washer. So yep, bearings. See how it has that nice D10 ramp? That makes it really good. And you can see they put some kind of gunk on the bearings, so it's gonna smooth out a lot better. Has some placement pins here to keep it aligned good. That's the lanyard hole, kind of cool. Alright guys, I won't bore you with this because this isn't that exciting. I will just clean it up and put it back together. This is just a quick video of seeing if it was on bearings or washers. Ooh, look at that gunk. This is gonna actually, I'll bring you guys back when it's put together to show you, just let you know how the action improved. So I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I gotta tell you how this thing was very easy to get apart. Just that, and that. 3 screws for the whole knife. No, since there's no screws on this side. So it was very easy to get apart, and it is feeling very good. Yeah, feeling very good. Kind of too small of a blade to make it drop shut, but it is feeling a lot smoother. So there it is, guys. That's what's inside of the Reate T2500. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.